In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails with your domain email using Gmail. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you can streamline your communications while maintaining a professional appearance. If you've ever wondered how to seamlessly integrate your domain-based email into Gmail, you're in the right place. First things first, let's start by logging into your Gmail account. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You'll notice a gear icon, which gives you access to settings. Click on that, and then proceed to select See All Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open up a comprehensive list of options for you to explore and customize, but today, we're focused on something specific. Within the Settings menu, find and click on the Accounts and Import tab. This tab is your gateway to managing email addresses and import settings. After selecting it, look for the section labeled Send Mail As. This is where you'll want to direct your attention, as it allows you to link your domain email to Gmail, making it possible to send emails directly through the platform with your business or custom domain. Now, you should see an option that says Add another email address. Go ahead and click on that. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to enter the email address you'd like to add. This is where you'll type in your domain email address, ensuring it's typed correctly to avoid any future hiccups. Once that's done, you'll click Next Step, which will take you further along in the process of linking your domain email to Gmail. At this point, you'll be asked for SMTP server details. If you're unsure about these, you can typically find them through your domain provider's support page or customer service. You'll need to enter the SMTP server, the username, which is often your email address, and your email password. These details ensure Gmail can properly send emails as your domain account. After entering the required information, Gmail will prompt you to confirm your domain email connection. It will send a verification code to your domain email account. Open the inbox of your domain email, check for the verification email from Gmail, and locate the code. Return to the verification window in Gmail and input that code, then hit Verify. Once verified, your domain email is now connected to Gmail. You'll have the option to select which email address to send from when composing a new message in Gmail, allowing you to utilize the professional appearance of your domain email seamlessly. Try sending a test email to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Remember, with this setup, you benefit from Gmail's interface and reliability while maintaining your domain's professional branding. If questions crop up, revisit the settings or consult your domain provider's resources for further assistance. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy the benefits of sending your domain email using Gmail.